Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna bread rolls. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 7 grams of active dry yeast, a pinch of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of warm water. Activate the yeast, then combine it with the flour and a teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. Next, let's create the delicious tuna filling. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, well drained. Combine the tuna with about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery, and a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper for a little kick. Mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined and has a good consistency. This ensures your rolls will be flavorful and moist. Now it's time to assemble your tuna bread rolls. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 to 10 equal portions. Roll each portion into an oval shape, roughly 4 inches long. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of your prepared tuna filling in the center of each piece of dough. Carefully fold the edges over the filling and pinch them together to seal the rolls securely. This prevents any filling from escaping during baking. Finally, let's bake and enjoy your homemade tuna bread rolls. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the assembled rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For a beautiful golden brown crust, brush the tops of each roll with an egg wash. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are perfectly golden. Let them cool slightly before serving warm. They're perfect for a snack or a light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.